Welcome back, traders, to another live edition. How's everybody doing today? Get some hype in the chat. Where is everybody? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in this world. You guys ready for this breakout, man? We haven't even got it yet. What's going on, Chris? TRX, yeah, we can look at TRX. There's that Dogecoin breakout. Were we not talking about Dogecoin on the stream a couple days ago, that there was going to be some big tweet or some big news about it? There it is. Dogecoin. About that STORJ move, man. We called that out at 91 cents live on stream. No, I'm not in any trades right now, guys. I'm trying to keep my stress levels low. But I will share with you guys my my long-term HODL portfolio here, live on stream. All right. What's going on? All right. So these are my bags, guys. Bitcoin, Ethereum, the Graph, API 3, CRV, BZRX, Icon, Algorand, Walton Chain, Maker, Chainlink, Zen, Cardano. I got a little bit of Pancake Swap, not much. Hedgic and Rose. Okay, Rose is one of my bigger positions here. Okay, nobody's really talking about this coin, this project, but they are a private DeFi solution for enterprise. All right, definitely something to look at for the long term for sure. And they also have staking through your your ledger, so that's really cool, really nice. All right. So Ethereum, the ascending triangle breakout is imminent here. We can see the bottom and higher low double bottom here on Ethereum. And we're looking at targets on up to about that $3,300 area. All right, guys, we're looking about a 50% move from here on Ethereum, okay? And we're going to cover Bitcoin here too real quick while everyone here is hanging out and joining us. And it's also kind of similar to what we're seeing here on Ethereum, right? Where we have, let me get some of this off my chart. But basically it's similar in terms of it being a nice, also a nice ascending triangle, okay? You're shorting TRX, just need to know when to exit the short. Oh, wow. Yeah, let me pull up TRX for you, man. Okay, so looking left in the chart here on TRX, it looks like we already came back to touch this 8.4 cent area, right? I would be very careful when shorting this right now, all right? But it does look like we might maybe get a continuation. Obviously, we went up to that almost 10 cent area, like I had said earlier in I think it was the other day's stream. But you know, you're going to come down to this support area here. You just got to be aware. You got to be aware, man, that, you know, this area here is a support. So it may not go all the way down there again to test it, right? It looks like maybe right now you got like a potential dragging fly doji reversal right here, a reversal candle coming in, maybe, right? So yeah, I mean, there you go. You're gonna get this move. I would probably, if you're in the profit on this trade, man, I would probably take your profit. Okay. I don't know if you're using SAR, but I'm sure SAR is okay. SAR is still short, but you know, this is like you're you know, I don't know. I'm obviously not the best short trader, but this isn't an ups. This is going to be, I mean, this is going to downslope and consolidate for sure. Okay. Felipe, but you know, we could see if this area does break down, I would probably look to cover before this. If we get down to 8.4, I would look to cover there, because you're going to get a spring there, probably a bounce there, right? Yeah, we'll look at Filecoin here in a second, man. Appreciate that, Crypto Greg, and everybody else who wanted to see some things. I'll get to you guys here in a minute, right? But back to the TRX, okay? Like I said, I think you know, this area here, this 8.4 cent area. Okay, just watch that area, because that's this bottom here. All right, we're getting pretty close to it. 15 minutes still looks like you might get a continued move down, and I'm sure the hourly also pointing down right now. Yeah, so it's going to be confluent with that 50 RSI area on TRX. So just be careful, because it's still bullish. Okay, even though it's pointed down right now, it made a high and then made a lower high. Okay, but if we change the trend down, I mean, yeah, I mean, you could get down to like 8.2, but I would say if you're in a lev position and you're taking some risk, just to be careful, okay? Hopefully that's helpful, Felipe. Hopefully you just set your stop into profit, man. Set your stop here above like 8.9. Set your stop there. In case this bounces and goes back up, you get stopped out before it goes up again, okay? Filecoin, let's take a look at it. Yeah, next target is the 266 area, okay? Look at SXP, sure. 266 area here, or like right around this wick, whatever this wick is here, 270. Basically the all-time high wick, all right? Once that gets broken, you're in price discovery. But I suspect we're gonna get some sort of pullback like right around this area, because this thing is very extended. Like, look at it, right? We've just been going straight up. So if you want to take some profit, you can up here. You know, wait for that pullback once we get up here to you know, to reaccumulate. And once you break that range, you know, you guys already know. We can look at Reef. Yep. We're gonna look at what was asked first here. We had EGLD. All right, EGLD. Yeah, EGLD broke out of the triangle, right? Nice breakout. Back tested it, made like a double bottom here on the 4-hour. And looks like it's going to pivot to higher prices. Like, I don't even think this really actually broke the range yet. It's going to make a 100% move. All right, that's the measured move of the triangle, right? And the 4-hour, you can see on the momentum here, Annie, is starting to shift back to the upside. So we're going to get a major move here at EGLD. You guys better pay attention to this asset. I think this is going to be another massive performer here in this bull market that we've seen this thing just do over and over again, just continue to make higher prices. Okay, big project, EGLD. Hey Felipe, great job, man. So XRP, look at that. OXT, EGLD we covered. SXP. What was next on the list here? ADA, Rose. We'll look at Rose here real quick. He's looking for an entry. I mean, this is probably a good spot because look, I mean, we just kind of like rounded this bottom here on the parabola curve here. You can see, I mean, guys, look at this. You guys see what I see here? Come on, what is this? I go through these on almost on every stream what these are. I want to hear it. I want to hear it, guys. I want to hear it. And this is the neckline that's about to be broken here. You guys see it? Inverse head and shoulders. That's right, guys. Sorry. Excellent. So Rose looking great here for an entry for sure. You can see the 4 hour starting to set up here with the momentum, right? We're just getting a bullish cross here on the 4 hour. All right, this looks wonderful. Absolutely wonderful on Rose. All right. So SXP, Civic, we got to cover Civic here. All right, Civic broke the triangle, right? You guys can see that, broke the triangle. Broke the triangle. We're gonna head back up to the top wicks here, and we're gonna go for a major breakout, major move to the upside here on Civic. You know, upside targets here of, you know, 80, 90, $1. These are all longer term swings up here, all right, on Civic. Someone just tip me. Hey, Ubi, thank you so much for the $10 super chat. Yeah, we're going to get to OXT. We had a couple people asking about it. I'm going to get to that right now for you guys, all right? Actually, my cousin, I actually told to buy OXT around that 50 cent area around here, around this double bottom, okay? So I'm still loving this pattern. This looks great. Beautiful cup and handle type looking pattern here. You guys can see it. I have major swing targets on up to about 275. Once we clear these wicks up here, okay? So beautiful looking pattern, nice upsloping pattern like this, cup and handle type stuff happening. Parabola structure being respected for now. All right. The daily looks like we're just kind of consolidating here, sitting here. You're not doing too much right now. We're not really implying any price action related to the upside just yet. The hourly, yeah, not looking too hot right now on the hourly. You might get maybe one more back test for like 63 to make that higher low there, maybe, if we do break down, okay? But you break down here and you make a higher low and you bounce off the parabola structure, you know that you're going to probably just rally on out, right? So maybe wait for that if you're looking for a long entry on OXT, like towards the bottom here, right? Like when we get towards these green band areas, guys, that's, if you guys aren't familiar with the STP RSI bands, guys, these are going to help you with your trades for sure, all right? You guys can check those out at swingtradepros.com under the indicators. It's $57 a month for not just one indicator, but you get like 10 indicators here. I can go through those here in a second, but let's get through some more TA here for you guys. Let's see. MTL, SXP, XRP, Doge. All right. And also Reef. Let's look at Reef. Let's get that one done. Yeah, Reef looking good. I mean, looking to make that higher low right there, right? So started to make these higher lows here. Looks like you're in a little bit of a wedge type pattern here on the hourly. We go to the daily, we can see what's going on really. So, you know, you can see this, the upsloping trend line here being respected. I actually think I gave a trade setup on this, but this is looking good too. You can see the shorter time scales on the hourly and the 4 hours starting to round out. That's what you're looking for. Maybe looking for a longer term swing on this, longer term entry. You're pretty much right at it. You know, we didn't come back down exactly to the demand line, but that's fine. You don't need to do that. As long as you start to make these higher lows here and you round out a bottom here, you could maybe go for a breakout, right? Because you got one attempt at a breakout here, a second attempt here, and guess what? You're going to get your third attempt, and you're probably going to break out because the more times you test a resistance, guys, the more likely it is to break it, right? So that's kind of where I think we're headed right now for this asset, Reef. Hey, Patrick, thank you so much for the $5 super chat, man. Appreciate that. Yeah, we'll look at MTL here in a second, man. I'm just trying to get through all these different tickers here, right? AKRO and Hedgic, right? Sure. SXP and XRP. We're gonna look at SXP. So SXP also in this triangle. You guys see it, right? This is on a major time scale. You guys can see that this is like the top resistance area, and this beautiful, beautiful demand line that's been respected all the way up here. One touch, two touch. We're going on our third attempt, guys. You guys already know. You know, more times you touch a resistance or test a resistance, the more likely it is to break it. And we're implying bullish divergence here on the MACD oscillator. We're getting that cross up here right now on the daily, all right? Lots of room to run here for SXP. I think we're looking at, let's see, the bottom of this triangle here is about 100% measured move once you break out. Obviously, you're not going to do it all at once, but you're looking at new all-time highs for SXP. You know, that target up here close to $8. We'll look at XRP real quick. XRP still in the pattern, guys, still in the pattern. I still think there's going to be big news about XRP very shortly now once this does break out, but we're still in it, man. Looks like a cup and handle pattern, right? Hasn't broke out just yet, but it's getting there. It's getting close. Slower mover, obviously, all right? Dogecoin was called out in the group like a couple days ago, and I specifically said that we're going to see Dogecoin have some news, and there it is, man. We got the news from Mr. Elon Musk, right? What do you know? The perfect triangle setup, boom, breakout, right? There it is. We called this out the other day. I want to say this was the other day on Dogecoin, all right? ORA on QCoin, we can take a look at that. I don't know if I missed any of these, but not seeing ORA on TradingView. Sorry about that. Can't cover that. MTL. Let's see, man. Excellent. Yeah, excellent. Band is one of those DeFi projects, man. It's probably a longer term holder, right? Hey, Chris, thank you so much for the $5 super chat, brother. Appreciate that. Hope you guys are all making money watching this stream, man. I'm sure there's other YouTubers out there, you know, giving nice TA, but I don't know if they're actually calling out these things like, you know, a couple days in advance, or sometimes these are things that happen while on stream too. So thank you guys so much for your viewership. Thank you guys so much for liking and subscribing to the channel. I hope to continue to give you guys this type of value here day in and day out. I want to make this my full-time job, man, to be a YouTube streamer and TA analyst. All right. I didn't check out Wing, GoChain, BZRX. Let's just check them out here, all right? We got Band to look at. MTL was the other one, right? So yeah, we perfectly touched the looks like the 886 bib extension on the major time scale here. But guys, We're looking at a $55 target long term. I said long term, probably by the end of this run for MTL, man. That's still a 10x away. All right. This was like a massive inverse head and shoulders pattern as well. All right. That we broke out of. Or a bottoming, maybe a bottoming rectangle here on this, really. All right. But you can see maybe an inverse head and shoulders on this. But excellent bottoming pattern for sure. MTL looks good. I don't know if I maybe I missed a ticker here, guys. Let me know. Let's see. STORJ. STORJ. Yeah, we can look at STORJ. Did the move, guys. We did the move. We made new all-time highs for STORJ. Come on. Let's get some hype in the chat. Annie, yeah, thank you so much for the super chat. I thought I said thank you. Really do appreciate that. Do appreciate that. I'm sorry, Annie. I'm sorry. Yeah, so STORJ obviously broke the all-time highs here. We're about to go into price discovery on STORJ. We identified this here on stream. I think it was last week, right? At 91 cents. Come on, let's get some hype in the chat for the STORJ call out here. We're talking about a 300% move in a week, guys. Come on. Come on. Hey, Massachusetts, thank you so much for the $5 super chat, brother. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. All right. Wing, Go Chain, BZRX. Interesting. Interesting on the weekly here. On the Wing. Obviously, we have, you know, our all-time high here. I don't know. Is this the whole chart? Yeah, probably, right? It's a new asset. So this asset hasn't even done a 50% retrace. Wow. Wow. Yeah, so this looks very interesting. You can see that we're starting to make this parabola-looking structure, okay? Hey, Vidouche, what's going on, brother? All right, so this looks great. Actually looks really great. You know, 143% measured move once you break this little mini structure right here. All right, so that probably brings you back up to close to the all-time highs, right? I'll check LPT. Alive Pure Coin was one of those coins that that got a trust with Grayscale. Yeah, so I'm sure they're doing well. They're definitely being accumulated. Anyways, Wing USD. On the weekly, we're flashing MFI buy signals on this asset, guys. This is a very, very, very big indicator giving us insight as to where this asset's headed. I will say that is more than likely we're going to see major moves out of this asset. Are you guys listening? Major moves out of this asset here in the coming weeks. All right, the bottom, from bottom, I don't know what this asset does. Bottom to top, okay? From the top of the wick, we're looking at, a stupid percentage gain. I don't know if we're going to be able to do that in this run, but you know, 12,500% just from the bottom of the range to the top of the range, okay? 12,506, you're looking at a stupid figure, but I don't think we're going to get all the way up there, but I mean, this is implying like thousands of dollars for this asset, guys. Definitely do not ignore this. I'm going to maybe say that we get up to even this level on this run, all right? This could be something, okay, guys? It's 58 bucks right now. I don't know what Wing does, but if the fundamentals or something is good with this asset, it can easily get and achieve these levels, all right? Pay attention to this one. Whoever asked for the TI on this, kudos to you. This is a wonderful looking chart for a long opportunity. Excellent, excellent, excellent. All right, we might get a short-term retrace, and that's okay. You know, you don't want to be entering. You want to maybe wait for it to come back down to back test the parabola before you get in, all right? Let's see. XEM, EZRX, I actually hold a bag of BZRX, so let's take a look at it. Looks great. Looks like we made this, we're in this parabola structure here as well. We're also in this little pennant here as well. You can see it's a combination of both. Looks like a cup pattern, cup continuation pattern here on the daily. And I'm sure the Stokes just crossed up on the daily. We just started creating positive momentum. BZRX looking good. So the range on this is about 100% also. Guys, we're about to go into a serious altcoin season if you guys haven't really picked up on that yet. $1.40 for this, probably close to back to the all-time highs on this asset. And Go Chain, yeah, Go was another one that I was looking at buying the other day. I just didn't do it. Go USD, right? Yeah, this is an older asset, I think, but very nice, very nice. So we made this nice cup pattern here. And we broke it. Right, we broke this parabola structure. $180% measured move, we got it. We exceeded it actually. But anyways, yeah, so from bottom to top on Go Chain, 2,300% from the break. So we're looking close to the total move, which we probably won't do in this run, but you know, maybe up to these ranges up here, okay? Depending on what this asset is doing fundamentally, long term, all right? LPT and NEM. Yeah, I mean, maybe bottom, but doesn't look too good. Doesn't look really that bullish at all. Looks very bearish. I would maybe... This looks like a bear flag, to be honest. All right. But we're going into a squeeze, so could consolidate here, and then maybe after consolidation, maybe one more back test of this support. Maybe we get a move back up. All right. LPT. We had an inverse head and shoulders breakout here. You guys can see that. Descending broadening pattern. 736% measured move we got on this. So we did the move. You got up to the 1272, it touched it. Okay. Now these are your long-term targets here up here. On LPT. What else did I miss here? I think I got it all, right? AKRO, yep. Let's see. Yeah, we got the breakout, looks like. Here it is. We still got to get to these targets on AKRO. So you got this 0.09 area, 10-cent area. Then you got the wick up here, the wick high at 12.8. All right. Cantos Euro chart. Cantos Euro. Yeah, we'll get to it here in a second, man. Sorry, yeah, you're piercing through the 200% retrace here. If you can break that, you're looking at basically straight to the 272 fib extension, which is 27 cents. You know, you might have a stop here at 20 and 22 in the mid-range there. Okay. Perfect. GRT, what else did you guys want? ORAI. ORAI. Ah, okay. I think I can get that one on ChartX Pro. ORAI. It's on Uniswap, right? So okay, yeah, that looks like maybe a head and shoulders pattern that's playing out there. Right. That's a bearish pattern. That's playing out. Yeah, so well, this looks like maybe you might get a move down actually on this one. If you break this neckline, you could move back down. Yeah, so be careful on this one. I think watch if you break this $30 area, okay? Right now it's, yeah, it doesn't look too good. Let's see. HPB. I feel like that's an old one, right? HPB. Where can I really chart that? I don't know where that is. I remember hearing about that back in 2017. High performance blockchain. Yeah, we can look at GRT. Still looks like it's doing what I had drawn out here. You know, it could break out here, or we could have gone down further. Looks like we're attempting a rally here. Okay, we're attempting a rally here. Coming up to this resistance right now, right, on GRT, but the 4 hour looks great. You can see the momentum is weaning off here, right? So this is looking nice. And we're sitting at 66 on the RSI. Well, the Stokes are looking nice. You know, maybe a $2 target on this. I mean, guys, do you see this though? This is like a major inverse head and shoulders pattern that we're in development here. You guys see this? You guys see it? Beautiful. Leo. Leo and Title. I've heard of Title, actually. Somebody's mentioned that to me before. This looks good. Yeah, this is the beginning stages before you see a major run-up on an asset, okay? Not even sure what this one does, but I mean, there's so little data that I would have to say that this is gonna go to the moon. Like, I mean, like, look at this. 121% just on this little impulse out. Okay. Anthony, that's gonna vary, man. Like, obviously, if you can identify perfect entries for lev trading, then you're gonna probably be more profitable doing that. Problem is, you need to be picture perfect on the entry all the time. Which is why we have bots, man. Which is why we have the SAR indicator, okay? The SAR indicator is going to give you those perfect entries, right? There you go. We got the hourly long signals printing right now on GRT. All right, so this is going to go. This is going to break out. If you guys aren't aware of our SAR indicator, guys, definitely come and join the Discord. Join the movement. Lots of folks making anywhere from 2 to 6% ROI a day on their bots. Okay. Yeah, that'll happen, man. You got to be very patient with leverage trading. Ontology, yeah, we were looking at this the other night. Yeah, Ontology is about to break out. Absolutely about to break out. We're flashing hourly buy signals. OMI we looked at, I think I looked at it the other day. What do you know? It's a perfect breakout back up to the all-time high on Ontology. Beautiful. Who am I? I'm gonna write down this title one. I think I might look to buy this one. Ryan, thank you so much, man. Appreciate it, dude. Yeah, I mean this is just starting. All right. OMI. Oh my, OMI. Look at that consolidation. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's just consolidating up here, guys, before you're going to make your next leg, right? It stairs up, elevator down, right? Not really too much TA it can give, though. It's just starting its impulses. Okay. Brentborn, I got you, man. I feel you. I think guys, I think buying spot is good here. I don't know about longing leverage here. It's already up 7%. Okay. I'm not going to give you guys financial advice in terms of you know, taking a long lev position via leverage. You know. Togo, we just looked at Wing. I said it was a really great opportunity. Just scroll back in the stream, right, man? I don't really know too much about wrapped tokens. Togo, we looked at it, man. Yeah, we looked at it earlier. Leo, let's take a look at Leo. Oh yeah, this is the Bitfinex token, right? Yeah, I mean, pulling back right here at the major area there. Got this major breakout. Yeah, so Leo holding the demand line here, right? 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touches on the 4 hour. Looking good for probably a continuation to break out here. Okay. Raven and Uni, all right, will do, man. Felipe, thank you so much for the $20 super chat. Thank you guys so much for all your tips today. Really do appreciate it. Wing token, yeah, we looked at it. Raven and Uni, yeah, let's take a look at that. Okay, what happened here? We broke down a little bit out of the demand line here. We didn't break entirely, though. Go to the daily chart. Yeah, the daily still looks intact. You're right on the demand line right now on the daily. You're starting to show a little bit of divergence. You're flagging up here for sure. Definitely flagging, okay? Yeah, so if this demand line's holding here, we're looking at about a big move here for Raven, all right? Big breakout. Next major level here is this 1618 fib. It's around 35 cents for Raven. Uni. Still in the pattern. Still in the pattern, boys. Still in the pattern. We break above here. We're looking to the top. 30%. Bull flags typically mean further upside, okay? Yeah, you are implying the hidden divergence still on the daily. You're coming out of negative momentum here. Still looking good. Still looking good. You're diverging here on the RSI, right? You're showing low and a higher low on the RSI, but on the MACD, you're implying further price action to the upside on the daily, okay? And you can see that in the pattern as well. See that in the pattern as well. Okay? Hopefully that answers your question. GRT on the move, EOS on the move. Dogecoin had a big breakout today. That broke out of my pattern, I think. Or right at it, see? Right at the parabola there, broke out. Massive moves coming for this asset, man. Look at this. This is huge, guys. Huge. $12 target here in the short term. My pleasure, guys. Make sure you guys smash the like button up, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel, and tick the little bell, all right? Make sure you guys also, if you're new, check out our Discord. Check out all the services we have. We have an alert service. We have the STP indicators, which you see on my chart. We have the SAR indicator, which is our top premium indicator, guys. This is delivering a 98.6% win rate. We have individuals in the channel right now earning anywhere from 2 to 6% per day. This is no nonsense. There is some management required with it. Hang on one second, guys. I'm actually getting a very important phone call here. I'm gonna have to mute my microphone for just 1 second. Actually, I don't know how I'm gonna do that. 1 second. I'll be right back for 1 second. Sorry about that, guys. Link. Wrx, ETH, link. Okay. Yeah, link coming to the parabola. Back test the parabola, probably breaking this out, okay? Big move coming for Link. We've been talking about this for a little bit. Nice little ascending triangle here as well. 55% measured move for Link. All right, new all-time highs incoming for Link. Probably up to that $50 area. ETH probably going to break out. Yep, we talked about that. Wrx Usd. Let's take a look at that. I don't really know anything about this asset. Let's take a look at it. Wow. This one's gone already, guys. All right, you're at the major 1618 fib extension on the weekly. All right, but the range from wick to wick, we go from wick to wick, looking at about 1,144%. Okay, 1,144%. So we're up to about almost that $3 area. Incoming for this asset. OAX. Well, you know, we got the inverse head and shoulders breakout. We're about to break out on the weekly chart here. Big major move coming for this asset also, okay? Excellent, excellent, excellent. But we're at the neckline, guys. OAX. OAX. We're looking at about a 740% measured move. Okay, guys. I repeat, 740% measured move. Are you guys listening? Are you guys listening? Oh, man. Yeah. I'm listening to myself, but I can't buy it. I got too much shenanigans already. My portfolio is up almost 10 grand today. Wow. That's crazy. Craziness. Rose ripping out. Yeah. Craziness. GRT ripping out. ETH ripping out. It's altcoin season, guys. Certainly altcoin season. Indeed, guys. Indeed. Indeed. Somebody asked about Cardano or something, I think, earlier in the stream. Let's take a look at it. I was actually wanting to look at Cardano here. Yeah, just still trading in this range, man. Still making higher highs and higher lows. And just chilling in the range. Range bound for now. Guys, Bideout was that other one I talked about around here on this 2.5 cent area. Got the breakout. Guys, this is another token that's going to go to the moon, all right? Chills aside, this one is going to go, man. This is a beautiful, beautiful structure. Nobody's really talking about it either. Crypto Greg, thank you so much for being here. I know you're very active on the streams. Greg's Young, I know I see you a lot. Sanskar, I see you a lot. Thank you guys so much for being active here. All right. Anthony Hallett, I know you're active. Appreciate your support. Appreciate all your guys' support. Ryan, appreciate you. Any of you guys, all you guys. I feel like we should have hundreds of people on this stream. I don't know where people are. Let's see. Band, yeah, let's take a look at band. So we got the breakout. You know, I'm still thinking that we get to the top of this, the top here. You know, we might get one more. We might get a pullback, right? We made a lower high here, pullback, back down to maybe 15 range, consolidate there for a bit. Maybe make a nice little cup with handle pattern, right? Stuff like that, right? BNB breaking out of the triangle perfectly, perfection. CRV breaking out. Right, we got that down slope to consolidation. There it is. Now we're rounding out, breaking out. Dot on the breakout too. Wow, this chart looks like crap. Thank you so much, Mohammed. Appreciate you, your comments. I appreciate you guys hanging out. Herp USDT. Looks good. Mohammed, thank you so much, man. Really appreciate that. Here's Ave. We got the breakout. Bitcoin Cash. We were talking about this the other day, around $500. I still don't think this thing broke out yet. It's just waiting for a major move, right? Let's go to the daily real quick and see this. Oh my god. Bitcoin Cash, guys. Look at this. What's going on, Bobby? You just got booted by our bot. Don't use caps, man. Hedgic, right? Some people wanted to see that. Here's the TA on this. Got the breakout, the back test, and we're gonna run. How about Maker making moves today, man? Maker doing some things. Nice flag. $2,700 area. Break above that, you're going to 3K, 3,500. So the bots itself are on 3 commas, okay? We have templates that you guys can use. And so you need a TradingView subscription. A premium is suggested, but you can get away with using Pro. But premium is suggested because then you don't have to really mess with or worry about your alerts expiring. So when you're on a Pro plus TradingView account, you still have to modify your alerts when you create them, all right? So you need TradingView, and you need TradingView, 3 commas, and then our indicator. So TradingView probably shouldn't cost you that much per month. I think 3 commas is like $90 a month. I could be wrong with that now. I don't know. They might have changed their pricing. And then the SAR indicator is $397 a month. But it's merited because of the amount of gains, okay, that you're going to get while using the SAR indicator, all right? Now, just to break even, let's just say you're able to earn 1% a day. You're looking at $2,000 trading account. So like to make money, I would say that you probably need something close to a $5,000 trading account to really profit, okay? Obviously, anything over 5,000, you're going to make significant gains. But you want to also make sure, if you're using, let's just say 5K, that you want to at least have $5,000 sitting in reserve in case you need to bail out your trades. All right, it's not an end-all situation, guys, where you don't need to manage it. It will do automatic trading for you. However, you still do need to manage it and make sure you're using proper risk management. All that stuff and guidelines are given in the Discord once you do subscribe. So definitely check it out. Come join the Discord. Come check out the testimonials. Come check out what people are doing, what type of different settings they're running, and things like that. All right, so definitely check it out. Join the Discord. Join the movement. If you're interested in manual TA and things that I'm doing here on the charts and the call-outs that I do, check those out. That's under the stock options and crypto alerts. You can check that out on the website, swingtradepros.com. Let me show you guys real quick where this stuff is. All right. So under shop, okay, under swingtradepros.com, you have the stock options and crypto alerts. That is the section that I'm doing call-outs in for manual trades. All right, and also we have options and an options bot that also gives stock calls out, okay? And the real-time trading indicators, this is different from the SAR, okay? It's different from the SAR, all right? This is going to give you the STP buy-sell signals, the STP support resistance levels, the wave trend, the price flow, overbought, oversold candles, the RSI bands. I actually use the RSI band indicator. I use the directional movement index. This is the DMI indicator. All right. I also use let's see, what else do I use? I use stochastic RSI. I use DMI. It says Discord link is invalid. Hang on a second. Let me help you out with that. One sec. The Discord link definitely should be valid. Let me get that for you. I've pinned it to the chat so you guys can join it, okay? But all right, guys, that is all I've got for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for your viewership. Thank you guys so much for liking and subscribing to the channel if you guys haven't done so already. Make sure you guys stay tuned. I will be streaming probably tomorrow around the same time. We'll see you guys then, all right? Thank you guys again so much for joining the stream. If you guys have any questions about SAR, definitely join the Discord. There's plenty of information in the Discord. If you guys need help with setting up SAR or have questions about it, message myself or any of the STP mods. We'll be glad to help you. All right. Thank you guys so much for joining today. We'll catch you guys in the next stream.